Hello, beautiful soul. Sad poem for you. If you want to say goodbye, if you want to say goodbye forever, then you can't talk, can't take away my memories. Goodbyes are often, goodbyes are often difficult, I know, my beautiful dear. There are not many ways to show goodbyes will always you crying in pain. It will hail your tears in vain, my dear. Sometime parting is the only option. Parting is the only option left in your life, my baby. There is no other way or reason to hold on or to strive. Say goodbye to all the one. Say goodbye to all the ones who have broken your heart so bad, my dear. Broken your heart so bad, leaving you in a state of delusion, leaving you in a state so sad. All heartbroken is life, my dear. In life, never ever go away from my side. I will not say, I will not say that I will die without you, my sweet dear, darling. But, but, I will surely say, I will surely say that I would never live. I would never again live without you, my sweet baby, because I only want to live with you, because I only had loved you in my life, my dear.